So, good evening, everyone. My name is Francis C. Carbonkilio. Today, I will present my speech, oral dissertation about climate change. So, this speech calls on people to work together to solve climate challenges and highlights the benefits of climate action such as green jobs and clean air. So, climate change is not a distant threat, it is an imminent crisis that demands our immediate attention. So, to lessen the harmful effects of climate change, and clear the path for a more sustainable future, we must act quickly, boldly, and with dignity. So, climate change is caused by human activities that increase greenhouse gas emissions, which trap heat from the sun and raise Earth's temperature. And with over 75% of global greenhouse gas emissions and approximately 90% of all carbon dioxide emissions coming from fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, fossil fuels are by far the biggest cause of climate change. So there's also another example like deforestation. So trees store carbon in their roots, leaves, and trunks, in addition to absorbing it from the atmosphere. So 48 billion tons of carbons are stored, for example, in the Amazon rainforest trees. Therefore, the removal of trees has a double-edged effect on climate change since less carbon dioxide is absorbed and more is emitted. So there are also solutions to prevent the climate change, like energy sources that are efficient and renewable must take the place of coal, oil, and gas. Fortunately, as technology advances and production prices decreases, sustainable energy is gaining ground every year. However, according to the special report on global warming of 1.5 degrees by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, we need to move more quickly to meet the goal of lowering global carbon emission by at least 45% below 2010 levels before 2030. Scientists say that this is necessary if we are to prevent the worst, deadliest effect of climate change. So there are some successful solutions like carbon dioxide emissions can be decreased by reducing consumption, using renewable energy sources, and implementing new energy technologies. By reducing consumption, buying fewer items, and shopping second-hand, carbon dioxide can be reduced. So reforesting also, existing woods or planting new ones can also help eliminate carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So there are also individual actions that we can do. That's like switch to like reduce energy consumption, and switch to energy efficient appliances, and turn off lights and electronics when not in use. So 2, 3